Discover the charm of Sandy Gulch, a historic trading center nestled in the heart of West Point, Calaveras County. This idyllic countryside is rich with tales of pioneer miners and the golden treasures they unearthed. Named after the Gulch where William and Dan Carstner stumbled upon large nuggets of gold, Sandy Gulch holds a captivating past. Set on a lush and fully fenced acre, a cozy 2-bedroom, 2-bath home beckons you. Welcome to your sanctuary, where rustic elegance meets modern comfort. Embrace the rural lifestyle you've always dreamed of, as there is ample space to accommodate your beloved farm animals. From horses to goats and chickens, create a haven for your furry and feathered friends. Imagine the joy of tending to your animals and witnessing their playful antics amidst this picturesque landscape. Step onto the exquisite new flagstone patio, a perfect spot to soak in the tranquility of nature. Beyond lies a generous garden area, ready to embrace your green thumb and harvest bountiful delights. Location is key, and this remarkable home offers the best of both worlds. Just a scenic 40-minute drive will take you to the renowned Kirkwood Mountain Resort, inviting you to experience thrilling adventures on its slopes. Need a change of pace? Embark on a leisurely journey to Sacramento, a mere 1.25-hour drive away, where a vibrant cityscape awaits. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Seize the chance to call this quaint abode your own in beautiful Sandy Gulch, West Point. Explore the remnants of history, embrace the peaceful countryside, and build memories in a place where the past and present harmoniously coexist.